Hello viewers, let's learn how to print a PDF file if password is forgotten and print rights withdrawn. So this is a huge PDF file in front of you. Open this file and you can see the entire number of pages. For this, go to www.ilovepdf.com. Directly type this, click PDF to Word, and much more other options are also available in this website. Now simply select File and browse the file. Click it. Now convert to Word. After this, the file would be converted into Word, or you can do much more changes in accordance to the options of the website. So click download, and now it has been downloaded. I can open it in folder, or I can also directly open by clicking open file. Now you can see the entire number of pages. Simply Ctrl P for printing, and in case if it appears, so click print and give it a name, and now the file would be printed in front of you. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.